What does SEA's stage name stand for? What is the title of SZA's debut studio album? Which album includes the song Kill Bill?